how to recover US bank credit card account password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily recover US bank credit card account password. So first thing, just head over to any web browser and simply search in for US bank credit card, and you can just tap on the first link which appears over here. And once you tap on that, just click on this login icon at the top right corner over here. And since you forget your password and you do not know any of the new password, then in that case you can just head over to this link over here, that is forget username or password option over here, which is right below the login option. So simply tap on that. So you just have to wait for a few seconds until this screen pops up. So you just have to provide your registered username or personal ID. So just provide your registered username or personal ID just like this, and simply click on continue. And it might as well need a 4-digit of your social security number, so simply provide it accordingly. And again click on continue. And if they find your profile, then it will send you a link or OTP to change your password, and you can easily set up a new password and just re-enter your login credentials to successfully log into your US Bank credit card account. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.